Okay, all students. In my county, you are going to go back to school next Monday. If you are a public school student, once you go back to school, please respect fire alarms and other life safety devices in your school buildings. Tampering with any life safety device will jeopardize the safety of students and teachers. Any unauthorized usage, removal, vandalism, and destruction of life safety devices is strictly prohibited and will result in disciplinary action. So do not tamper with any life safety devices at school. Bye.